Hello, YouTube. I come with very disturbing news to all of you. I have to say it's disturbing because it disturbs me. I find it personally very disturbing. It's about YouTube wasting space in my video. YouTube is wasting space. It's it's unthinkable in this time when we should be maximizing our resources. I mean, look at that. Huh? What's that? What is that black thing there on the side of my video? Huh? What's that thing here? What's this black thing here on the side of my video? Huh? I think the only thing that can explain this would be YouTube. Hmm? YouTube, I ask you, what is this thing here? Huh? On the head of my video, huh? This black thing here. It's nothing. See? What's that? What's that? Huh? It's wasteful. Huh? It's a waste of space. Waste of video. There. I could use that in my video, huh? Why can't I use it like this would be very useful to me, huh? Very useful. If I can just, push it.
Honey, napakain mo ng dog?
What?
Napakain mo ng dog?
Pwede ikaw na lang.
Okay.
Okay lang yan. Bigyan mo lang yung dog food na sa ref.
Okay, sige.
Well, YouTube, what are you going to do about it? I ask you.